Hola! Today we're making a traditional winter dish. It's called lentejas, or the traditional lentil stew that we make in Spain. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description. Now, as you can see, the type of lentils I'm using is a Spanish traditional one we like for cooking. They are called pardiñas, but you can use the regular one that is slightly bigger. So long as it's the green type, you'll be safe. The first thing we're doing is slicing our garlic very thin. Now we have the onion and we cut it into small bits. We do the same thing for our carrot. And now I'm going to get a green pepper. I'm going to cut it in half. And once again, small bits here. To give the dish a little bit of color and flavor, I'm also cutting a red one. And now a potato. As you can see, I'm leaving some big chunks here, but I mean, you can cut it smaller if you want to. All our vegetables are ready. And now to the meat. We're going to use a sausage and we're going to cut it this big. I have washed my pardiña lentils very well, so they're ready for cooking. First thing we're doing is we're adding some olive oil to the pan. And when it's hot, we're gonna add the garlic. Don't let it burn, lower the fire, and now it's time to add your onion. Now add salt at taste. I'm gonna add a bit more. Mix it again. Now it's time to add our carrot. And now we're adding the pepper. We'll mix it all together and we're going to speed up the process a little bit. With the mid-fire, we're going to put the lid on top. As you can see, it comes out really nice and soft and releasing all the water and beautiful juice. Now we're adding the sausage and the tomato. We call this mix sofrito, which is the base of many meals. Now I'm adding a little bit of black pepper at taste. And the same thing goes for cumin. Don't go excessive with the cumin because it's got a really intense flavor. Now it's time to add the lentils. Now last but not least, let's add the paprika. And make sure you mix it quickly, it burns really fast. Once you've mixed it all together, it's time to add the water. How much water shall we add? Well, not too much, just make sure it covers like a fingertip sort of. That's it, just a fingertip. Now we put a lid, and after it has boiled, we're gonna lower the fire, we're gonna put the lid, and we're just gonna let it rest there cooking for 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed, so I open again, and now it's time to add the potatoes. I'm adding the potatoes last because they don't need so much cooking time. Mix it all together. And with the same medium temperature approximately for 30 minutes, you don't need to put the lid. And now it's time to do the test and see if this is ready. So I'm gonna pierce it through with a knife. And if it comes out nice and easy and clean, that means that our dish is ready. So let's serve it. Looks so comforting and nice and warm, especially in the winter. So our lentejas, or lentil stew, are ready. I'm gonna get a big spoon of it. So let's try it. That's super tasty. Gonna have another one because this is wonderful. I love my lentejas, and if you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.